Okay, in this video, I will mention something about the registers, position registers. So you may need that. In the previous video, you can see, okay, so I will use this position, just position, not register, but a position, right? The point. So by, for example, drag this like a robot to a position, then use that position right directly. So actually you can go to click select the position, go to the position, click this or select that option on the teaching pendant. You will see the information of this position. Like okay, the P1, so it's the coordinates is here and the angle of each joint is here. Okay, the joint over here. Yeah. So okay, let's go out. Okay, so yeah, that's in the software. What if we want to, for example, uh, program the robot to a position, but using teaching pendant, real teaching pendant, right? So basically, in the software, you drag that TCP, right, that sphere to a position. In the real world, you have to use this keyboard to operate this machine. For example, like okay, so no, use the keyboard of a teaching pendant, real teaching pendant, not here. Okay, then for example, click Shift, right, and then first you reset. Okay, reset the let's reset. Okay, without Shift, make sure all the like a warning thing disappear, and press Shift. So then here you can use these buttons here to control the motion of these joints. For us, we have like 6 joints. They have like 8, right? So for us, we only have 6. So okay, but before that, you need to make sure what kind of a coordinate you are using. Remember, in the software, we can set choose the Cartesian like coordinates or joint coordinate, right? Similarly, in the teaching panels, you for example click the coordinate, you can change it from you see the indicator here. Now it's word, and then you can select it to call like a 2. So when it's 2, so it will keep the motion, the orientation of that 2, and I mean the robot will automatically maintain the 2 position. So let's try it, right? So for example, see, I can move this robot up or down, right? By select this one. You need to keep the shift. Oh no, all these blue keys work with the shift. You can even in your keyboard here press the shift, and you see move the robot X Y Z like that, right? Okay, so okay then and the software is like that. So sometimes it will lock the shift or toggle the shift. So you need to make sure when you do other options, you may need to deactivate the shift. Okay. So okay. So basically, in the real world, similarly, you use this keyboard move the uh, robot to a new position, and then when you, for example, add a point here, so it will use this new location so as the position now, right? So it kind of add that position there. So it save the information of that position. So if you, for example, go to P3 position, you can see they are this is a new position. Okay, so okay, this is one way. So to you just move it to a specific position, then in the program add a line, right? So then this position will be kind of saved. But sometimes you may want to permanently save a location, right? For example, I moved or using keyboard or in software drag it to a new location. So you can save this position to a register. Maybe not using in this program, but later you will use it, right? How to do that? For example, I want to drop this somewhere over there. Let's see. Okay, so this one you can go to data, right? So then, yeah, so data, select type. Then this one, I will use it as a position register. Okay, so here, okay, position register. I mean, which the position here, so you don't have to select anything extra. Okay, so then here I will, you see, if you click, you see the position option here, because this one you can see for the position register 1, the status here is a star equal, after the equal mark there is star, which means it's empty. Okay, so this one here, this blank here, you can give it a name, like for example this A, you give it a name, so position A. Okay, so enter, so you have a name for you, to help you remember, and it's empty now, right? So but if you click the record button, it will match. Press shift key to record. Okay, let's press shift and record. Okay, position has been recorded and the status changed to recorded status. So now when you press the position, okay, there's some value inside of, right, where ready is reside. Okay, let's move this one. For example, here, this double click in the simulation software, so we will move this one to somewhere over there. Okay, so assume in the real world this one start, this robot start here, right? So it's a home position of it. Okay, let's see how to utilize this recorded position. So you can also have this, when you again in the data, select type, position register. Okay, you have this P1 has a recorded position. You can click move to. You have to select shift, press shift. You see it moved to there. And also you can see that location has been recorded. Okay, has all the information, not only that position, but what I mean, the, for example, the angles and the, the coordinates type. It was a 2 type, right? Location, I mean position, right? So over there, so it just, kind of redo all the movement, the angle, the information when you record it over there. So which means later you can use it. Let's see what how it works during our program. So go back, select C2, that program. Let's go into it, or press enter or edit. Okay, we are in it. So let's run the step mode again. Step, right? Let's see. Okay. Okay, so this is, remember we add like P3, right? We get to P1, P2, open the claw, and then go to P2, then P3, right? Okay, so let's go to use the PR, the position register. Okay, so it's a point, but we will go to here, choice. Let me see. Let me see here. Press enter value, or press enter, enter. No, let me see. Yes, okay, let's go to this position. Okay, so okay, sometimes the shift may be pressed, so you cannot select this option. You have to make sure when you work on this option, you don't select, I mean, the shift has already be like a deselected, okay, or deactivated. So then, okay, so click the choice here. You have PR, position register type, to be selected. Okay, now this one has been changed. So let's use, okay, so that where we have A. Oh yeah, it's a position, but the name is A, right? So now you have this one, right? So again, let's go to check, for example, also this one here. Let's change the type here. Okay, change the type of a P2, right? So change choice PR1. Okay, now enter. All right, so now let's run this program. Like first go to line, and then press Shift forward. It will ask you, okay, the cursor like is in different, right? But when we run the step mode previously, it was in a different line. So now we select yes, enter, yes. Okay, now it's from the first line. First, like P1, right? Okay, then open the drawer, close the drawer. Let's see, it will go, yeah, all to this PR1. Then P3, then go back to PR1. You see, that's how you utilize the position register. Hope this video helps. Thank you.